Hey designers, let's create this image text manipulation in Photoshop. Pick the text tool. Write the letter here. Increase its size. Open the picture now. We need to crop the subject out of this background. Go to Select, Subject. Take the Marquee tool now. Right-click, Layer via Copy. Now to duplicate this copied layer the previous document. Right-click, Duplicate Layer. Select the document that you want this layer to be duplicated to. Close it now. Let's scale it down. Place it on top of the letter B. Okay. Let's give this letter a different color. Select it. Color it now. Okay. To clip this subject to the letter, select the subject layer. Right-click. Create clipping mask. Now duplicate this subject layer by pressing Ctrl-J on your keyboard. Let's mask this layer now. Click on this mask icon. Select the letter layer. Take the Direct Selection tool to select the letter pixels. Right-click. Select Inverse. Select this layer. Take the Brush tool. Make sure black color is selected as the foreground color. Now apply brush to remove the unwanted area. Good. Select this letter layer. Right-click. Go to Blending Options. Choose Stroke. Now choose Inner Shadow. You can either copy these settings or do your own according to your choice. Now select this layer. Right-click. Blending Options. Inner Shadow. OK. Finally, let's give a background color. Select background layer. Go to blending options. Solid color. Give it a color of your choice. Please support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel.